Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your region on Nintendo Wii console. So to do this, you'll need to get the console enabled, and from here just point your cursor at the Wii right here, press A, then go to Wii settings. Now point at the arrow right here, press it once, then repeat the process and just select country. And from here you can choose whatever country you prefer. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.